How's it going, everybody? In this video, what I have here is the Vastfire flashlight. This is one of these brightest flashlights I've ever had, everybody. And let me show you what I got with mine. So I've got two things with it. This would be handy for like pest control. I used one of these in pest control looking for scorpions. It came in this little box, and I think you get this is a USB mini charger that came with that. Very handy. I'm going to be using that, put that aside. But this is the one I was most excited about. Now I've had this thing out and used it and put it back in the box for this video. Let me just show you everything with this. So you get a USB-C cable, and they have a little kind of tie up. I've got 10,000 USB-C cables, but I do like the fact that they sent that with it. You get a lanyard, and I think this lanyard's going to mount like this. You double up. So it just runs like that, and it can go around your shoulder. And that's really handy because you charge it right here with the USB-C cable, and there's USB-A coming out if you want to like charge your cell phone, maybe in a pinch. Not something I'd use for my cell phone, but it's something that's definitely handy to have. But check this out. They have a glass breaker on the back of this. So this is staying down in the side of my van, and for whatever reason, if I have to break glass, say someone's in a car accident or something, and I have to get out and break the glass, very handy to have that. That way you're not using this part. But just looking over that part, check out what they've done. This is all, that's not glass, everybody. That is steel, that's metal, and that feels tough. I would hate to take a whack with one of these because it would definitely hurt. So it's a very nice feature to have that. Let me take this thing outside at night and show you how well this thing works, because I think you're going to be impressed with the power of this thing. By the way, that's spot right there when you want to go spot, and it is, look how easily. So yeah, let's take this outside and let's give it a whirl. Let me show you how powerful this thing is. Okay, here we go, everybody. I'm outside now, and there's one thing I forgot to show you on this light. It has a glow-in-the-dark inside piece. Is that not awesome? What an innovative feature to add to a flashlight. So that way when you pick it up or you drop it, like if it's on the ground or something, I can see that glowing. Look how it's just laying there on the ground, and see, there it is. But I'm outside, obviously it's dark now. Now my yard's a little more lit up. You can see over here, and I'm not gonna turn off all my lights, but look at my neighbor's backyard. Watch this light when I turn on the Vastfire. I'm gonna light the Vastfire up for him. And I'm not gonna go into lumens and all that. This thing, I mean, it's got a lot of lumens. I'll let you guys do it. Unless I put it on a meter, everybody always gets mad when I, when I say it's got like 50,000 lumens. But let me show you this thing. Here's the real proof. Just watch when I light this yard up. Here it is. It starts out on high, everybody. Boom, look at this thing. That is probably, I don't know, 30 yards of light across. And then watch this. So look at how bright this thing is. I don't even want to point it into my camera. I'm afraid of ruining my lens. Look at how it lights up these trees up here. This is the brightest flashlight I have ever seen. Watch this. When I zoom in, look at that spot. So the spot's like a square, but look how far it goes in the sky. Is that not amazing? I could throw a bat signal up with that. So opening it back up, and this is sliding. See how I can slide it right there? And then hit it, and you can easily see the percentage on it. Hit it one more time. So one, that's low, so that's the low setting. There's the like SOS setting. That's a blinder right there. It's kind of like a flash. And there's the SOS. See how it's 3 SOS, and then it stops. And then the fourth one turns on this little guy. This is cool. I like this feature right here. Look at how this little guy right here. And then you hit it again and it goes on low. But then you hit it a third time, that's red. That's a red light. Is that not awesome? And then let's say when I'm walking at night or doing something at night, here's what I do at night. I put that on flash. There's a flash feature. Check that out. So if I'm walking, let's set it down, and I'm gonna set it down and walk away. So let's say we had like a flat tire or something. Check that out. Let's walk back. Look at that, everybody. So I'm changing the tire on the side of the road. I just put that flashlight out, so that way cars are coming, they're gonna see that light and see that red flashing out. It's actually a brighter little LED than you think. Very impressive on there. And then hit the one button, and there's all the features right there. But one of the best features is, look at this thing. Look how far this thing shines. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Vastfire super bright flashlight. Check it out. See you on the next video.